So in this video, we're going to go through 5 more examples of writing numbers that are in standard form into ordinary numbers. So, first example, 3 times 10 to the minus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to write down the number 3 to start off with. Now the decimal point for the number 3 is there, and we need to move it one step to the left. That's the minus 1. So it's needing to go here. So if the decimal point needs to go there, then I need to write down a 0 there as well. So 3 times 10 to the minus 1 is 0.3. Okay, let's try this next one. 5.6 times 10 to the minus 2. So I'm going to write down the 5, 6 first. The decimal point is currently here, but it needs to move 2 steps to the left. So 1, 2. Now the problem is that we have missing values here, don't we? So we need to fill them up with zeros. So the decimal point has moved to here, and so my value needs to be 0.056. Okay. Let's try the third one, 3.1 times 10 to the minus 5. So again, I'm going to write down the 3 and the 1. Now, can we help ourselves here? Can we think about, rather than moving the decimal point, can we look at our previous examples and see where the numbers have really been positioned, how many zeros I've got? So here you can see for minus 1, I have 1 position to the right of the decimal point. Minus 2, I've got 2 positions to the right of the decimal point. Okay, so including the A that I have here, so the 5 in this case, or the A is the 5.6, but the unit column, shall we say, of the A. So here I need to have 5 places to the right of the decimal point, including the 3. So I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to have 0 point there. So it must be 0.00031. Let's just check that. So if the decimal point needs to go there for 3.1, it needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. So that's all good. Right, let's try it for this number 4. 9.832 times 10 to the minus 7. So I'm just going to give myself a bit of space. 9.832. Now I need 7 positions to the right of the decimal point, including the 9. So I need 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to need a 0 point there, aren't I? So this is 0.000009832. Let's just double check that. So if the decimal point's there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's all good. Right, last one. Now, can we do this in one go? Okay, rather than writing my number as far down here as I can and then writing in the number of zeros I need. So, 10 to the minus 12. Well, here I needed 4 zeros before I hit the 3, 1. Here I needed 1 0 before I hit the 5, 6. Here I needed 0 zeros before I hit the 3. Here I needed 6 zeros before I hit the 9, 8, 3, 2. So it's always 1 less 0 than the 7, or 1 less 0 than a 5. So here I'm going to need 11 zeros, aren't I? So starting off with a 0 point, so we're not counting that one. 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then the 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Let's just double check this. So if the decimal point was there, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that matches. Okay, so that is how we can convert these that are in standard form into ordinary numbers.